Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Rumela and in today's video I'm going to share with you guys my chemical exfoliation routine. Now if I look like a shiny ball, it's because I just finished chemically exfoliating my skin, and it does make your skin really nice and glowy, and I obviously did follow up with my moisturizer and everything. You'll see that in the video. Also, if you guys are wondering why I'm wearing a hoodie in summers, it's because firstly I'm shooting in the night and I'm shooting in my room. The AC is on and I absolutely love doing skincare in my hoodies. I don't know why that is, but I really love doing skincare in my hoodies. So I just put on a hoodie and I just wanted to chemically exfoliate my face. So I thought I'd film it for you guys. Also I got this one from Shein. तो अभी तो मिलने के chances नहीं है, but I really love this hoodie and I always wear this when I am chemically exfoliating or doing any elaborate skincare. Now I chemically exfoliate my skin every 20 to 30 days. It's been roughly 25 days that I last exfoliated. Now earlier I used to exfoliate every 10 days, but then I thought I was over exfoliating my skin. So now I exfoliate every 20 to 30 days and it works perfectly well for me. Also, if you guys are wondering why I'm doing so many skincare videos and not many makeup videos, firstly it's Ramadan, so din mein I cannot wear makeup. I mean, I cannot wear lipstick, so what's the point of wearing makeup, right? I can't shoot makeup videos in the daytime, and I prefer makeup videos in the daytime so that I can click photos and reels and all of that in daylight. Secondly, since I'm fasting and my body is a little dehydrated, I've been getting these lip sores right here and I don't want to irritate my lips any further by applying a lipstick. So I thought I'll just give my lips a little bit of break, and that's why I'm doing more of skincare videos. So that was a really long intro. Let's dive straight into my chemical exfoliation routine. The first step to chemically exfoliating your skin is obviously to cleanse your face. I always make sure to double cleanse my face even if I'm not wearing makeup. If I'm wearing makeup, I obviously double cleanse, but even if I'm not wearing makeup, there's sunscreen and then pure din ka dust and all of that. So I always double cleanse my face. So that's what I'm going to do. Now I haven't washed my face since morning. I did my skincare routine. I applied a sunscreen and then I just left it as it is. So I'm just going to get rid of sunscreen and all the dust and everything, and for that I'm going to use the Bioderma Micellar water as the first step in my double cleansing routine. So I'm just going to take that on a cotton pad and wipe my face. Do you see how dirty the cotton pad is? That's the amount of dirt that has come out of my face, even though I didn't wear any makeup and I did not step out of the house. So for the second step in my routine is obviously a face wash. So I'm going to use the simple moisturizing face wash. This is something that I've been currently loving. It is a very moisturizing face wash, and since I'm fasting, my skin has been dehydrated like never before. So I always make sure to moisturize my face really well, and that's why I've been loving this moisturizing face wash. So I've dampened my face and I'm just going to take a coin size amount of the face wash, and that much, and I'm going to massage this into my skin for a good 60 seconds and then just wash it off with plain water. Now my face feels squeaky clean after double cleansing. So I'm just going to go in and chemically exfoliate, but before that always make sure that you chemically exfoliate on dry skin. I'm just going to wait for a couple of minutes for my skin to dry down completely, and then we will move on to the second step. My face has completely dried down, and I'm going to move on to chemical exfoliation, and for that I'm going to use the Minimalist 30% AHA and 2% BHA exfoliating serum. I do have reviews about this one on my channel. I have two of them. I will link both of them in the iCard, so go check that out if you want to know my thoughts on this one. But spoiler alert, I absolutely love it. Now another tip that I have here is do not apply your chemical exfoliator directly on your face, like from the dropper itself. I know it's really trendy, but that's not the most hygienic thing to do. So always make sure to take half a pump first on your fingertips and then just apply it on your face like you would apply a serum. So that's what I'm going to do. I would need a little more than one pump to cover my entire face. So I took half a pump. This is my second half. I also like to exfoliate my neck, so that is why I require more than a pump. But if you are exfoliating just your face, then I think one pump would be enough. I do go around my nose because the area around my nose is not supremely sensitive or anything, but I avoid the area around my eyes and the area around my mouth as well, the sides of my mouth. But I do apply the exfoliator on my upper lips. It is tingling a little bit, but honestly I'm used to the sensation, so I don't feel it that much, but it does tingle a little bit. Now that I've applied the exfoliator on my face evenly, I'm just going to leave it on for 10 minutes and wash it off with plain water. So I kept the mask on for 10 minutes and washed my face, and this is the results. Do you guys see how bright my skin looks? And it definitely feels really smooth. I really love chemically exfoliating my skin so much. Now moving on to the next step. I'm going to use a moisturizer. I don't like to go in with a very elaborate skincare routine when I'm chemically exfoliating, because I want my skin to take a break, and I don't want to overdo anything. So I like to use a fragrance free moisturizer, something that's going to be really lightweight and also something that will moisturize my skin, because chemical exfoliation does tend to dry your skin out, and since I am from the dry skin type, I like to go in with a nice hydrating moisturizer that is also fragrance free and all of that won't that won't irritate my skin. So this is the moisturizer that I'm currently loving. It is from Simple. It is their replenishing rich moisturizer. Now if you are from the oily skin type, they also have a light moisturizer which would be perfect for oily skin type, but I really love this one. It hydrates my skin beautifully. So this is what I do after I moisturize. I also have another step that will make sure that all the moisture locks into my skin. So yeah, I'm just going to apply this moisturizer. Always make sure that you have a very simple skincare routine after you chemically exfoliate, and do not use any actives no matter what. You can just use hyaluronic acid serum, but apart from that, do not use any active based skincare product, and make sure you use a fragrance free moisturizer, because your skin is kind of sensitive at that time, and you do not want to irritate it any further. So fragrance free moisturizer, make your skincare routine simple. That is it. Now to hydrate my skin a little bit more, because chemical exfoliation leaves my skin very dry, I like to go in with the Minimalist Squalene oil. Now this is a very lightweight moisturizing oil. It works beautifully for my skin. So when I chemically exfoliate, I always make sure to use a few drops of this after my moisturizer. Since this is an oil, you have to use this as the last step in your skincare routine. So I'm just going to take like 4 to 5 drops of this and just dab it into my skin like so. This will make sure that the moisture has been locked into my skin. I also use a squalene under my eyes because I do have really dry under eyes, and it helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles and all of that. So I really like to go around my eyes as well. And yeah, I'm just going to let this soak into my skin for a couple of minutes. So that is the skincare routine I follow once I chemically exfoliate. This routine has helped make my skin really look nice and healthy, and not using any actives make sure that your skin is not irritated and anything of that sort. So yeah, that is my very simple chemical exfoliation routine. So to sum it all up, the points that you need to keep in mind while you chemically exfoliate is: first, always double cleanse your face even if you're not wearing any makeup. Secondly, always chemically exfoliate on dry skin and never do it on damp skin. The third point is make sure you use a nice hydrating moisturizer which is also fragrance free, so that you don't irritate your skin any further. Make sure you do not use any actives in your skincare routine. Then the last point is always follow it up with a sunscreen. Make sure you chemically exfoliate in the night time, and the following days always wear a sunscreen. Something that's SPF 30 and above would be ideal. So that is it for the video, guys. Hope you liked the video. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button down below, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, stay safe.